Welcome to online class, students. So let us start the solution of coal and petroleum, part D and E. Okay, part D and E. So let us begin. The first question of D part is different. If a resource is renewable, it can still get exhausted. Discuss with two examples. So the answer will be, if we use renewable resource faster, then they are renewed, or if we disturb the natural method, their renewal, the most renewable resources get exhausted. ठीक है ना? Example like groundwater is used faster than it is renewed. And second is forest is renewable resource provided we don't disturb their natural growth. Now question number 2. Why is topsoil considered a non-renewable resource even though it is constantly being formed by weathering of rocks? This one. Question number 2 is answer 2. Topsoil takes hundreds of years to form. Once topsoil is eroded, it can be replaced immediately. Question 3. Why do we feel the need for conservation more today than our ancestors did? We feel we feel the need for conservation more today than our ancestors did because of the two main reasons. The first one is the population. The population of the world has increased. There are more people on the earth and they are uses more resources to feed, clothes and houses themselves. Second is, as humans have progressed, their needs have increased. Their needs for energy have increased several folds. The average resources consumed per person have therefore increased considerably. Okay, so because of these two factors, the natural resources today are getting used up and depleted much faster than a few decades back. So, for this, their folds of energy यहाँ तक करिएगा, टोल तक. Okay, इधर से लेके टोल तक second point, and first point is the population of the world is increased. यहाँ तक first point. ये तो आपको क्वेश्चन से मिल जाएगा दिस वन, और फिर नीचे का यहाँ पे से, because of these two factors बैक तक. ठीक है, यहाँ से ऐसे करिएगा. Now let us see the next question. Fourth, how was coal formed? Coal was formed from dead plants buried under the earth's crust over millions of years. Fifth, what are the important uses of coke? Important uses of coke are listed like it is a good fuel, smokeless fuel. And second is, it is used to reduce metal oxides to get metals. Third is, it is also used to manufacture gaseous fuel, produce a gas by passing air through red hot coke, and water gas by passing steam over white hot coke. Sixth question, how was petroleum formed? Petroleum was formed from dead sea animals buried under the earth crust over millions of years. Now, name 4 important products of petroleum and give their uses. Question number 7. These are the 4 important of classification or the products of petroleum, और उनके uses भी दे रखे हैं. Here, this side uses are given. Last question, what were the advantages of using energy judiciously? क्या advantages होंगी? Like, judicious use of energy has two main advantages. It will delay the energy crisis and it will give a scientist more time to develop more efficient and alternate source of energy. So let us begin with the E portion now. Yes. The first question of E is, how is destructive distillation of coal carried out? What are the products obtained and their main uses? Destructive distillation of coal is carried out by heating coal strongly to the temperature 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. तो उसके बाद it yields coal, coal tar and ammoniacal compounds. So you have to write the all 4 products which you get after heating the coal, after destructive distillation of coal. Question number 2. How is refining petroleum carried out? Name the important products obtained. Refining of petroleum. Answer is given here. The refining of petroleum is carried out by heating it in the refinery at 400 degrees Celsius or in the furnace. The vapor formed are passed into oil fractionating tower. The hydrocarbons will the highest boiling point condense first. They get collected near base of the fractional tower. As the vapor rises, the hydrocarbons with lower boiling points condenses at different height. They get separated in the fractionating tower to form the different fractions. The various fractions obtained are petroleum gas, gasoline, naphtha, kerosene, light oil, heavy oil, and the residue. Yes, the last question. How is CNG? How is CNG obtained? What are its uses? Natural gas is found along with petroleum in a reservoir underground. This gas is chiefly made up of methane. It can be easily transported through pipes and is clean, non-polluting fuel. So students, you have got the answer of all the 4 questions. Okay. So what we will going to do is in the next I will going to tell you the answer of chapter, the remaining answer of chapter chapter 8. Now see, this is the third part answer. This answer will be of the third part. Wait, I'll show you. Third question is left now from this. So this is the answer of third question. Wait, I'll take a photo again so that you will get it clearly. Now I think it is clear to you. This is the third part. Okay. Now third question is, yes, the third question is, list 5 things that you can do help in preventing an energy crisis. See, these are the things which we can do to get rid of energy crisis. Like first is using room cooler air condition को हम लोग तभी यूज करें जब उनकी ज़रूरत हो, needed. Reducing the flame of the burners while cooking to save fuel. Using CFL and tube light which use less energy instead of bulbs. Using public transport instead of private transport. And walking or cycling along small distances. So these are the 5 things you can write only. Yes, you have to learn all 5 things. So let us end this session now. Thank you so much.